CES 2022 is on, baby. Just bring your COVID card.
Who's going?
I'd go.
What are your odds?
Y'all going?
Could editors, could you put some crickets in there right there at that point?
Previously on TWiT. Tech News Weekly.
In recent weeks about the metaverse, whatever that is. It's called Horizon Workrooms, and it was shown off to journalists this week, but designed for people working together.
HandsOn Photography.
Today on HandsOn Photography, I have another bit of feedback that's quite common. You know, someone wants to know, what are your alternatives to Photoshop? Well, I got a couple things in mind.
All about Android.
The embargoes lifted for Pixel 5a with 5G. I happen to have it right here. I've had it for the past week. It's been my primary phone.
Windows Weekly.
Amazon just got a different $10 billion cloud contract from the NSA.
So this is a contract that's codenamed Wild and Stormy.
That's a cocktail name, isn't it?
That was
It
the
is.
Dark and Stormy.
Dark
Oh,
and
I'm
Stormy. We think it's a contract about involving NSA trying to consolidate all the data
Right.
that it has in multiple
They're
repositories
going to
into a
replace
single
that Sex on the
data
Beach server
lake.
they've been using.
Exactly.
And the Fuzzy Naval server. They're going to replace that with
Right.
Wild and Stormy.
TWiT.
Better
Somewhere there's an agent
cocktail.
go, they're onto a story.